I'm asking that all charges will be dropped at the end of the preliminary examination.
Now at 5, court testimony is underway in the case of a freeway shooting that killed a toddler on Interstate 880 in Oakland. Jasper Wu was a month away from turning 2 years old when he was struck and killed by a stray bullet. Good evening. I'm Julie Hayner.
And I'm Mike Meeback. The CHP says he was the victim of a gang shootout. KTVU crime reporter Henry Lee live tonight at the courthouse in Oakland with the latest on the case. Henry.
Mike and Julie, we heard from CHP officers who described that horrific scene, finding little Jasper slumped over in his car seat after he was shot in the head. 3 alleged gang members in Alameda County Superior Court on the first day of a preliminary hearing in the shooting death of Jasper Wu. The 23-month-old boy was killed while caught in the middle of a rolling gun battle on 880 near downtown Oakland. Ivory Bivens, Trevor Green, and Johnny Jackson Jr. are each charged with murder in a November 2021 shootout on northbound 880. Authorities say Green and Bivens, who are longtime friends, were in an Infiniti and that one of them fired an AK-47 rifle at a Nissan carrying Jackson and a second alleged rival gang member. In court, CHP officers testified that a stray bullet traveled across the freeway and hit Jasper in the head, killing him as he was riding in his family's Lexus heading south.
The death of a child is a tragedy, and our hearts go out to the family.
Defense attorneys say the case isn't as clear-cut as the prosecution would suggest.
Johnny Jackson did nothing to cause the death of this child. Johnny Jackson was a victim of an unprovoked attack by an AK-47 on the freeway.
We certainly intend to establish his lack of involvement in this case, and we also intend to flesh out the racist and class-biased tendencies of the gang enhancement in this case.
KTVU legal analyst Michael Cardoza says a key question is whether DA Pamela Price will keep in place or throw out those enhancements and special circumstances that were charged by her predecessor.
If not in this situation, when would she ever charge allegations? If not now, when?
Former Alameda County prosecutor Norbert Chu is representing Jasper's family, who was not in court.
Right now, they would like to be free, well, not free, but just away from all the hoopla that's going on. Right now, their focus is on moving this case forward and getting it done.
We've tried to stay away from the political circus that's surrounding this case. We don't think it's done anything good for the parties involved.
Now, this preliminary hearing is expected to last 3 or 4 days. At the end of the session, the judge will determine whether there's enough evidence for these 3 men to go to trial. Reporting live in Oakland, Henry Lee, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
A case we will continue to follow. All right, Henry, thank you.